People think of coral reefs as a great place to visit and to have a photo of and swim amongst. But fundamentally, they're a home. They're a home and a critical habitat for a quarter of all marine life on the planet, and we are a blue planet. So if we lose coral reefs, it is a domino effect of ecosystem failure. There is no doubt that the #1 threat to coral reefs is climate change. People knew that coral reefs were fragile, more fragile than people had expected, and that they were at the front line of a changing climate. What we're seeing on coral reefs right now is a wake-up call and a cry for help, that oceans are not able to continue to just absorb all these pressures. They need the pressures to be reduced, but they also need us to dive in and restore these ecosystems back to their former glory. And along the way, we're trying to find a way for those coral babies to be tougher, to adapt to future conditions so that they'll survive future marine heat waves and future events. We know so much more about how coral reefs tick. We know how to rebuild coral reefs at scale, and we're really getting close to being able to put these promising prototypes in the water. So we're organised, we're smart and we're determined. And I guess in the privileged position I have in the Great Barrier Reef Foundation, I see what's coming down the pathway. So I am hopeful, but I also know that we must be tenacious and determined if we are to be successful this decade.